All right, let's talk about a clever solution to a problem that I think we can all agree is one of the most annoying parts of modern life.
You know the feeling, right? You're driving in circles, you're late, your frustration is just building. It is a universal headache. But what if technology could just solve it? Not just tell you a lot is full, but actually guide you right to an empty space. It's a really cool piece of the puzzle in making our cities a little bit smarter. And here it is. Now, this might look like a simple little model, but don't let that fool you. This is a complete working prototype. So let's pop the hood on this thing and take a tour piece by piece to see exactly what makes it tick.
Okay, first things first. For any system to be smart, it has to be aware of its surroundings. In this case, it needs to be able to see. It has to know, without a doubt, when a car is there and when it's not. So, how does it pull that off?
Well, take a look at these yellow and black cylinders. There's one hanging over each of the 4 spots. Think of these as the system's electronic eyes, and each one has a very simple, very focused job. Just watch the space right below it. The tech is called a proximity sensor. When a car parks in a spot, the sensor detects that something big is now close by, and bam, it sends a signal to the system's brain. It's an instant update that the spot is now occupied. Super simple, super effective, and no physical contact is needed at all. So, the system can see the cars. That's awesome. But, that information isn't much good if it's just stuck inside the machine. The real magic happens when it communicates that data to you, the driver, in a way that's instantly helpful. And the first way it does that is with this bright blue screen right at the entrance. Its whole job is to answer that one single question that's on every driver's mind. Is there even a point in turning in here?
And there's your answer. A single number tells you everything you need to know. 4. 4 spots available. It's clean, it's clear, and it means no more guessing before you commit. But it gets even better. Beyond just telling you that there are spots, it helps you find them. See these little green lights? Each one corresponds to a specific parking space. So as you drive down the aisle, you can see from a distance exactly where the open spots are. No more creeping down a full row. Okay, so this system doesn't just inform, it also acts. It actively manages the flow of traffic. It's basically a smart gatekeeper that decides who gets in based on that real-time data. And that gatekeeper role is played by this little blue servo motor connected to the black arm. You can think of it as the perfect doorman. It's only going to open the gate for you if it knows for a fact that there's a space waiting on the other side.
And the logic behind it is just so simple and foolproof. You gotta love it. A car arrives. The system's brain checks the count from its sensors. Is that number bigger than 0? Yep. Okay, the gate lifts. Is the number 0? Nope, sorry, the gate stays put. And just like that, you've prevented the chaos of an overcrowded lot.
So, we've looked at all the individual parts, the sensors, the display, the gate. Now let's put it all together and see how they create one seamless, intelligent flow.
It really helps to stick with these analogies. The proximity sensors are the eyes, seeing the cars. That little chip on the board, the microcontroller, that's the brain, doing all the thinking. The LCD screen and the green LEDs, that's the voice and signals talking to the driver. And that servo motor is the doorman controlling the gate. So picture the whole sequence. A car pulls up, the brain checks with the eyes and confirms there's a spot. It then signals the doorman to open the gate. The car drives in, parks, and the eyes for that spot immediately tell the brain it's occupied. The brain then updates the voice on the screen and the number ticks down from 4 to 3. It's a perfect, self-contained, automated loop.
When you really break it down, a project like this isn't just about parking, is it? It's really a template, a blueprint for solving all kinds of problems that involve counting, controlling access, and managing resources. And that leaves us with one final, pretty interesting question to think about.